Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Miss Mems. I have been sharing my hair growth journey on this channel, and this is the 4th month video. Oh my gosh, I have not seen my fro in ages. Wow. Let me see the back again. Gosh, I have hair, like just hair. So, workout done. I am going to shower, wash this hair, go to the shops, come back, shoot the intro for this video and the process of actually braiding the hair, show you the extensions that I'm going to use, and then, yeah, call it a day. It's gonna be a long day today, I think. Peeps, does this look like the same hair? What am I to do? What am I to do? Anyway, so washed, ready, next stop, shops. But before I go, I just want to tell you guys a little something. So I try not to use too many products. The truth is, I used 4 things to wash my hair, and still it was annoying. I'm like, you know the ad, shampoo and conditioner? Not me. I just want to wash my hair and go. And now I can. Well, I can't just wash my hair and go because I'm doing too many products and we need to cut it down. Haven't figured it out yet, but I'm going to quickly show you what I've done. So washed with, first off, pre-shampooed with this. I got it from Amazon. I don't know. The best thing I like about it is how easily the oil comes out. It's nearly finished anyway. But yes, pre-pooed with some oil, washed with the black soap shampoo from D Rose. I think they've discontinued this, but I love it and I will use it until it finishes. Then I will buy their regular shampoo because I'm sure that their bottled shampoo will be as good as this. I like it because of the slip. When you use the shampoo, there's still a lot of slip. You can even detangle your hair with the shampoo, so I really like it. The shampoo bar. So yes, so pre-pooed with this, washed with this. Then I used to use Aussie, but I have abandoned Aussie for this Pantene deep conditioner because this is so good. It's so good and it smells so good too. So deep conditioned with this. Then final step, washed out the deep conditioner, moisturized with this one, and then sealed it in with this. So only 4 products I used, but still, it still took a while. It probably took me about an hour from start to complete, and that's way too long. So I'm gonna go out and air dry this hair, and when I come back, I will cornrow the back and single plait the front and put in the faux loc crochet. That's the plan for today. All right, let's go shopping. Come on. It's not. Okay, so in my mind, I had planned for this video to be like a hair vlog, a come with me while I wash my hair kind of video, but it ended up not being that because I forgot to record. So I had planned to take out my hair that I had, so I just took out the faux locks, similar style to this, actually the exact same style. Why am I saying similar? The exact same style. I did it with red faux locks and I shared it on my last hair video last month. So I've just done it again. But my plan was to show you how I took them out, because taking out these individual locks is not easy, but I did it again, and this time I did individual locks, individual plaits all through my hair, and then crocheted the locks onto the plaits. So I don't know how I'm going to take this out because it was tough. The ones that I crocheted to the cornrows was very easy to take out, but the individual ones was tricky. I had to cut the locks. I had to cut some of them, you know, but I knew I wasn't going to use it again, so it was fine because I wore that hair for almost 2 months. I really liked it. You know, I feel like this is going to be my style this year as I'm growing out my hair. Anyway, So my plan was to do that, but like I said, I kept on forgetting to record. So this is what I did. Faux locks, like I was saying, this is my style for 2021. I have individual locks on this part. Oh my gosh, guys, the styling options with this hair though, the styling options. I am still growing my hair with faux locks. I want to see what growth I can get at the end of the year by just protective styling and leaving my hair alone. That's the journey, and that's what I'm sharing with you on these hair videos on my space, on my channel. Do I have anything else to say about this hair? No, because this is not really a hair review. You know, I'm not reviewing this hair because there are 3 different packs. I don't even remember what hair this is. I think it's Beyond Beauty, but I'm not sure because I didn't bring it out from the pack. They were just leftover hair I had. I was like, okay, let's use all these leftover bits and create one look. So why did I do that anyway? Growing hair 2021 with protective styling, with faux locks, with cornrows on the side. That's the plan. So far, so good. Another Grow Your Hair video 2021. Signing out, Miss Mems, formerly known as Memsnaij. Love you guys. Until next time, don't forget to spread love, spread positivity, and live always to inspire. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.